Patients come with different situations. They present with different scenarios when it comes to missing teeth. When we have a single tooth missing, and maybe it's been missing for a while, maybe the adjacent teeth have moved into the missing tooth space. Now we have a problem with the how do we restore the implant? Well, luckily, nowadays we can do very limited orthodontics with Invisalign or with brackets and wires. And we have a very qualified board orthodontist in the office that can help us with that. Once we gain the space that we need, we can restore it with a crown, and that will ensure longevity and proper function.